I don't take shit, I got no love.
What's up, you guys? Oh, look at my hairdo. Oh well, I'm after work, so I don't care. Bad day, well, good day, bad hair day. There you go. So anyway, guys, so we had the snowfall. You guys seen the two videos. Lots of snow, lots of icy roads. The roads are getting clear. They are icy in the mornings, but during the day they're kind of getting wet, slashy. So how about I just stop talking, put the music on, and let's go. right, you guys. Well, we made it to our destination, which is Chinook train station. Yeah, we're picking up someone special. Anyway, it's weird how people drive. So the roads are kind of okay. They're a little bit slippery, but you see how many times people were braking, like constant. I thought it was more crazier than the other video that you watched a couple days ago or 2 days before that, which was actually like snowing and a little slippery and snow everywhere. But no, well, you never know with people, right? So anyway, yeah, if you like these videos, there's a whole playlist of it. Play it, put it on repeat, and if not, watch the other playlist, which is all the hiking, camping, and you know, good stuff that we do on other days. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, click the like, click the subscribe, it helps, and we'll see you on the next one. So see you in a couple days.